We're SlikRok Productions. I'm Jake, this is Kurt, and a little bit ago we did a rebuild kit on this steering rack from Brute Performance.
Yeah, so our both of our steering racks wore out really prematurely.
Yes,
we felt like anyway. They got a lot of play in them. The steering wheels would lock up when you were in four-wheel drive and you were locked in. Brute Performance sent us out some rebuild kits, and it's got all the components you need to completely rebuild the rack, including the tools you need to do it. It's a really complete kit. It's very well thought out. We were going to make an installation video when we were doing it, but after watching the video they made, which is on their website, they did a really good job. It really covers all the bases. I don't think we can do any better. So we'll put the link for that down below, but our cars steer 1,000 times better. Those kits are well worth it. It's a lot more inexpensive than buying a new rack. Like I said, you can do it yourself. It's super easy, and we're thoroughly impressed with them.
Yep.
So we'll put the links down below. We highly recommend them. Thanks, Brute Performance, for all the effort you put into those. It made it super easy. Your explanation, your video was really great. It was really nice for us as well.
Yeah.
Keep up the good work, gentlemen.